Here we go. Catfish bite. Fish on. Hold on. I'm getting a fish. We're getting a fish. Fish on. Hey guys, it's Dave from Banana Sack Outdoors. We are still in the 5x5 last day. I only got 4 carp on the board. Is it 4? Yeah, 4 carp on the board, no catfish. I went to go try another place, but I had no signal. Like I said, you have to have signal to be live streamed for these fish to count. So now I've regrouped and we're back at my spot. I haven't hit this during this tournament, but this is usually my good carp spot, but it does have a lot of buffalo. Also caught a decent amount of catfish here too. So let's see if we can get on the board. But yeah, today is August 6th. So August 6th, last day of the tournament, Wednesday. Kind of hot. We'll see if we can get started. I see some fish out here a little bit. Seen some bass eating and stuff. See some shad. It looks like boiling at the top, so might be good, but we'll see. I got cut bait, I got night crawlers, and I got pack bait. So yeah, stay tuned guys for this fishing adventure, and let's get started. Also, possibly leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and give a thumbs up if you want. Thanks guys, let's get started. All right, got a bluegill head right here. So we're gonna use one for catfish, one for carp. Hey, what's up, audio? Cast it out there. Gets kind of deep. Perfect. The first place I went to there was no signal. Actually, there probably was at certain spots, but surprisingly, there's a lot of people fishing. And the places I remember getting signals where people were fishing. All right, 1 carp rod, 1 catfish rod. I do catch a lot of buffalo here too. More than likely, that's what we will catch. But I have caught some teener carp here before. We haven't fished here this tournament. No, I think they just sift. I think a lot of times they sift it and it goes through their gill and they keep on feeding, not knowing. Oh, here we go. Catfish bite. Fish on the cut bait. He's coming my way. Oh, looks decent. Definitely a cat. Definitely a kitty. Hey, he's a couple pounds. Got him. Yeah, we're in the combo board. Let's go. We got ourselves a channel cat. He's a good eater size. Ooh, and that J hook worked perfect. Right in the jaw. Nice channel cat right here, guys. Let's freaking go. That's my first channel cat of the year. I've been fishing rivers and all kinds of stuff, using cut bait all over the place, catching everything else but channel cats. First channel cat of the year. Oh yeah. Let's get him. Here we go, guys. First channel of the year on a cut up shad. I cut the head off, threw it out there. Let's go. Thanks. Thank you, Sarah. There it goes. Boom. Let me check this out too. Might as well just rebait, but I think I might have a fish on here too. Nope. Fish on. Fish on. I just pulled the line a little bit. I don't know if he saw it go and then he went, or it was in his gill. If it's a buffalo, it's probably in his gill. But fish on, guys. It's kind of staying down. Yeah. Oh, he's taking off now. Will we land it? If it's through the gill, it'll be an easy land. If it's in the mouth, it could possibly get out. I think it's a carp. Yeah, we got ourselves a carp. He's decent. Not huge, but decent. Close to 10 probably, I'm guessing. I don't know. I haven't seen a carp in so long. Maybe not 10. 7? Dang. Scream that time. Did you hear that screamer? That was fun. It's always fun when they take off like that. Come here, buddy. Come here. It's hot. You don't want to fight me. Just get in the net. Let me weigh you. I'll put you right back in the water. Got him. We got him. We got him. He's long and skinny. Oh, he just jumped out of the net, you little bastard. Did he pop out? I don't even see the line anymore. I think he might have already popped off the... Oh yeah, nice. Easy unhook. I'll show him real quick. Here we go. Let's go. He's probably close to 10. Look at that pretty orange tail right there. Let's go. Let me get the... I scoop rocks every time in this net. Let me get him out. I thought for sure it was a buffalo, guys, with that how subtle that bite was. But actually he took off as soon as I pulled that line. I'm glad I brought my carp bait. Is this damage? Or has he kind of got a mirror on his back tail? I think it's just like some kind of damage right there. You guys see that? Look how pretty that tail is. You see this right here? I think he maybe just had some damage right there. Cool. Let's let him go. Nice 8-pound fish. I'm happy. I'm so happy. Oh, there's a catfish bite. Got him. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Doesn't mean it's a catfish, but it's on my catfish rod. Let's see. There's a snag right there. I'm trying to keep it up. Come on, baby. This cut up shad's working great. He's got a little bit of power to him. Oh yeah, it's a cat. Oh, he's tangled. Come on, baby. Get in. Oh, he didn't even eat it all. Got him. Let's go. Another channel cat, guys. Second of the day. He's about the same size as the other one. Maybe even a little bit smaller. He's barking at me too. He's Bob Barker. There you guys go. Channel cat right there. All right, like a 3. You stay here. There we go. Okay, like a 3.22 pound channel cat right here, guys. Okay, that's it. There he goes. I got no lines in the water, guys. What the hell? He did not eat my shad head though, so I can use it again as bait. Do I? Is it old and nasty? I think we try to use it again. Oh, he almost stole it from me. There we go. Not the greatest at this, so bear with me, guys. Oh yeah, fresh shad. Should we throw a freshie out there? Caught like 5 or 6 shad, all pretty decent size too. Check this out. Nope. All right, maybe I got lucky with my first cast. They're also not opening great. Oh, am I getting a fish? Yep. Maybe. Oh yeah. Fish on. Feels kind of heavy. Fish on. I don't hear my chat, so I don't know if it's actually on or if I accidentally turned it off again. We'll see. He feels a little heavier than the other one, but you never know. Can't tell what it is. There we go. Had my drag too tight. I want him to fight without snapping off. Come on. Don't get in that snag over there. There's a snag somewhere over there. I think he sees it. I have no idea what it is yet still. And I don't hear chat, so I'm guessing I accidentally turned it off for a second. Got him. Got like he's probably like a 10-pound buffalo. Got him. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yep, pretty sure it's a smallmouth buffalo. I'm gonna just let him go now before he kills himself by jumping on concrete or rocks. There you go, bud. There you go. Oh, catfish bite and other bites on both. Fish on. Fish on. On the cut bait. It's another channel. Okay, he's about the same size as the other two. It's probably the same one. He's just losing weight every time I catch it. Got him. We got him. Another channel cat. How about that? And I thought I was going to be catching a fish on the other rod. Man, I could have, if I stayed long enough, I could catch my limit on catfish if I wanted to keep them. Channel. Give me your freaking mouth. There we go. Channel cat right here, guys. Let's go. He's barking. He's Bob Barker. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Make sure that... Woo, let's go. Who knew the channel cats were going to be the ones on fire? You just got to have the right bait. And the right bait today is cut up shad. Fish on. Just watching that thing go. Oh, I think it's a buffalo the way this guy's going crazy. Maybe it's not a... He went psycho for a second. The psycho fish from Illinois. Will banana sack, get it in. Fish on, fish on. It's a screamer. Come on. He doesn't want to go in yet. Got it. All right, let's go. Got ourselves another buffalo. Let's go. Probably like the same size almost. Little buffalo, probably like 6-7 pounds. Nice one. Let's get him back in because he's gonna freak out again. There we go, bud. Thanks for biting. Thanks for playing. But no thanks for helping me out in the tournament. Not a fish for the tourney. Oh, there you are. Oh shit, we're getting a catfish. Yep, I switched heads. Switched to the head. Fish on. That was quick. Shad head got me a fish. What was that? A couple minutes? He doesn't feel big. Just a little guy. Smallest one of the day. Just a little channel rat, channel kitty. He's got a full belly. I think they're gorging themselves on these shad out there. These little guys, it's hard to grip their mouth. All right, cool. Just a little guy right here, little channel. This is a good eater too. 2 more and I would have filled my limit on catfish. Oh, I'm getting a bite on my catfish rod. Getting a bite. Yep. Fish on. He's going way over the shore. It's a channel cat. It'll be my 5th one. Fill my whole bag in one day. On the last day. I don't know what he is yet. I haven't seen him. Oh. Oh no, my net. Got him. Nope. Got him. Got him. Let's go. Full bag of channel cats, guys. Let's freaking go. Let me get him off the hook real quick. Won't be able to see that over here. He's a little bit bigger than the last one. Last one was only a 2-pounder. I don't know if he's my biggest though. Remember, I said shad head. They've been all, I think mainly been eating the shad head. 5th channel cat of the day, guys. 4 pounds. Just a little bit over 4. Hey, I might have had a shitty tournament and I still have low weight. But know what I did on the last day of the tournament? I filled both bags. I filled both bags on the last day of the tournament. Ooh, I see some minnows or so. Oh, there we go. Got one. Oh, wait, do I got him? Oh yeah, I got him. Come on, he's on shore. What the heck? Come on, buddy. I can go. I just go get him? Nope. Might be a carp. Yep, I think it's a carp. He's a. Yep, got another carp, guys. He's definitely gonna beat that small one I got. Hey, what's up?
Nice carp.
Thanks, man.
How many have you caught?
This is my 9th fish of the day.
Oh my gosh, what are you using?
I caught those shad, cut them up, and then this I'm just using corn.
All right. Nice.
Just using corn, yeah.
What other fish have you caught?
I've caught 5 channel cats,
Damn.
2 carp, and 2 buffalo.
Dang.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, man. How'd you guys do? I saw one of you guys catch a bass or something over there.
He caught a bass. We caught a couple bluegill and yellowfish.
Oh, okay.
Yellow bass.
Yeah, yellow bass. Okay.
White ones, yeah.
I gotcha.
That's
Yeah, man. Get yourself a cast net. There's some. Oh, I'm getting a fish right there too.
Yeah, you're about to get one, huh?
Yeah.
You're about to take off with it.
He already came back in, I think.
Oh.
Doubled up.
Oh my god.
Let's freaking go.
We forgot to bring our corn, but yeah, the carp are crazy over here.
Yeah, same with the buffalo. Oh no, I think I'm in the. There's a snag right there.
Oh, dang.
No, he's out. He's out. So this one's probably more than likely a catfish because I'm using shad on this one. Huh?
He's fighting good.
Yeah, he's probably a couple pounder. Actually, I don't know what he is.
Ooh.
Oh no, he's a cat. Yeah, he's probably like 2 pounds or something. Ah, just bring him in like this. You guys are my good luck charm for 2 in a row.
Doing a live or
I'm live on Twitch and then I make videos for YouTube.
live?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm in a carp and catfish tournament for Twitch. So.
All right, good luck.
Thanks, man. Yeah. All right, you little bastard. Small carp. I think he's still bigger than my 2 pounder. He might, even this cat might, he might be too small to help me in anything. I don't know. Cat's out. What a double up, guys. Pretty carp. He's really dark and small. I don't know if you guys can see this. Nice looking carp right here. He's bleeding, but that's because he got hit in the chin. There you go, guys. Little 4-pound carp, probably. Maybe 3, I don't know. Nice carp right here. Look at it, he's so dark and pretty. Okay. I have a feeling this guy's not going to help, but you never know. Channel cat right here. Let's go. 2-pounder. I think that's 10 fish, right? There he goes. It's crazy. So I turned around and I'm like, my line's all the way in. I think that kid was about to say, I think you're getting another fish. And I said it first. I'm like, I think I got another one. He's like, yeah, man, you do. I'm like, okay. Hold on. I'm getting a fish. We're getting a fish. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, this one looks big. He might be big. It looked like a big wake out there. He doesn't feel super big. He just looked, that wake was big. He might be the biggest fish of the day. I haven't got a good look yet. I think he might be biggest fish of the day. Maybe not. I don't know. Just can't quite get a good look. It's a carp, I think. No, I don't think he's biggest. Oh. Got him. Yeah, let's go. Last minute fish, is that what that is? Remember I said I was gonna stream to 345? Yeah, he's the biggest, probably biggest of the day. This one's gotta be close to 10, come on. Or maybe 9. Yeah, maybe not. I don't know how big he is. I'm bad at judging. Probably the last fish I'm gonna catch today. I can probably catch more, but I do have to take off. Look at that fin. It's not connected to his other dorsal fins. Cool looking guy right here. Let's go. I'll answer all the questions in a second. There you go, Carpy boy. All right, guys, that's it for the day. That's the end of the 5x5. I can post the standings. We did fill both bags, so that's awesome. I wasn't expecting that. We started the day with 3 carp to our name. And the 5x5s, your 5 biggest common carp, your 5 biggest channel cats. We ended up with 5 carp, 5 catfish. I know we're not even anywhere close to the top, but we might be in the middle of the pack of catfish, but definitely not close to the top for carp. There's some people that got almost 90 pounds of carp with their 5 fish, but fun day. Multi-species day also as well, you know, caught those buffalo. Those were some fun fighters too. And that last carp was pretty good fighter too. And for not even being over 10 pounds, he was still pretty big, or fought pretty good. I'm exhausted. I don't know if you guys can tell this. Been out here for 5-6 hours in the boiling hot sun. I was told it felt like 92 today or something, maybe more than that. But tons of shad everywhere, guys. This is a great place to fish, great fishery. Yeah, and the shad head, we're killing it, man. I tried the shad. I don't know if you'll see this in the video, but I tried the bodies, wasn't getting bites. Every time I casted a shad head out there, it was catching channel cats. So yeah, I bet you if I stayed here, it's only 4 o'clock, and it was in the middle of the day. I caught all these fish in the middle of the day, not in the morning, not in the evening, all in the middle of the day. Started about 10:30. It's now 4 p.m. going home. But yeah, I caught most of these fish in the middle of the day. Crazy. But thanks again for all coming in. Possibly leave a comment, guys. Give a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the video if you like this content and want to see more. And I'll talk to you guys all later. Peace.